channel. First video. Give me a I'm here with my buddy Irish Bulldozer. Y'all know him. He's already trying to throw fucking cherries at me. So yeah. Walking out in the rain.
Yep, walking out in the fucking rain.
Walking out in the rain for you guys. So if I get more followers and subscribers, I'll be happy. And don't have to worry about that. I'll start doing more videos too. As soon as I get an Xbox One as well, but I got 360 right now, so I can use my fucking phone. What? Yeah, Xbox 360 is a piece of shit.
Is that pointed down?
Huh?
Is that pointed down?
See what?
Is that camera pointed down?
Yes, it's at your feet. It's at your feet. What do you think?
Oh, look. A vlog camera. Vlogs. There he is. I won't show his face though because he don't want to be seen either. So, there he is. Go ahead and put it back in my head because I already know what my head looks like.
Yeah, there's Irish Bulldozer. Y'all ain't gonna see his face. He's anonymous. He's used to it. Y'all ain't seeing his face. Y'all ain't seeing mine either. I'm ugly. And he'll agree with me. He'll put it on his YouTube channel as well. That's my ugly ass cousin. But yeah, just walking out in the rain. Yeah, follow his Twitter too. Follow Irish Bulldozer's Twitter. Him and his fucking cherries, I swear. He loves some cherries. Yeah, follow his Twitter. Follow him on Xbox.
I only have 100 followers, I don't need more.
Just follow him. He'll enjoy it. I know, I'm pointed down. They're just seeing my feet. See?